What's up guys, I just got this Super Smash Bros. Ultimate Pro Controller from Nintendo, so I thought I'd give it an unboxing and let you know my thoughts. So, first impressions. Sticks feel good. On par with the regular Pro Controller. Buttons, the same. Yeah. D-pad is always a bit of a contentious subject on these controllers. I think the D-pad is the slightly improved version that they improved with the Xenoblade version. I'll have to test it out on some platformers to find out. Overall though, I really like the design. The silver kind of logo is like a metallic shiny effect, which is really cool. One fairly funky thing I've noticed is on the switch, on the sync page, the Pro Controller's actually got the white handles like this one has. If you sync a regular Pro Controller, it'll be black. Right, I'm going to give this a blast and let you know my thoughts. Okay, I've played a little bit. What I will say is it's pretty much identical to the regular Pro Controller. I can't see any improvements Nintendo have made. I definitely think it's the improved D-pad. So this controller is £65, whereas the regular one is £55. The only difference is the artwork, so if you don't like the artwork, don't bother. Personally, I like having different colour controllers for different players, so I always go for the special edition ones. There's links in the description below where you can buy this. Please consider subscribing. I make new videos all the time with household appliances, gaming stuff, that kind of thing. And if you have been, thank you for watching.